Hey bosses, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new. As you can tell, this is going to be a Halloween tutorial. This is my interpretation of a glam skeleton look. And as you know, I'm not a professional, but this look came out super cute at the end. And I use this cream makeup from like the Halloween store, so it's not as pigmented like if you got, you know, the real deal. But if you're on a budget and you just have some things around the house that you want to use, you can create this look. So I'm gonna stop talking and get right into the video. So make sure you subscribe, thumbs up the video, turn on your post notifications, follow your girl on Instagram, BeautybyDimplzbabyy, and let's get into this Halloween glam skeleton tutorial. So my base is already done. If you want a tutorial on this kind of smoky eye type of thing, let me know down below. But I'm going to be using this cream makeup in white. I got this from like one of those Halloween kits. Like you can get it from anywhere, Target, the Halloween stores, any of those type of places. And I have these little paint brushes right here that I'm gonna use to draw it on my face. And first I'm gonna moisturize my lips with my Bossed Up Cosmetics lip mask, because my lips is hella dry. And so I'm going to just take some on the back of my hand, a good amount, and let's get into it. First, before we get into it, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and my bronzer and kind of deepen up the sides of my face so it can look sunken in. I'm just going to blend this out with a bigger fluffy brush once I get the placement. And then we're going to use the cream makeup to start mapping out how I want the skeleton look. So keep on watching. If you make a mistake, makeup wipe. Yes, make sure you're taking your time mapping out your face to make each side as even as possible. This is like my second attempt on making this look, so be patient and it'll come out great. So I realized the Bossed Up Cosmetics lip mask was a little bit too hydrating, so I just wiped it off to give more pigmentation to the cream white makeup. I'm taking that bronzer again and just deepening up the outlines of the white to make it look more sunken in and defined. I'm taking some clear lash glue and adding these rhinestones that I had in my collection, and I have like a little tweezer to pick up the rhinestones and place them directly onto my skin, and the look is coming together, y'all. But yeah, bosses, that's the end of this video. I just went in and perfected the lines of the cream makeup, put my wig on, called it a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. Bye, bosses.